Okay, this is a problem-solving question. It's 2.4, number 8. It says on a fantasy football team, a tight end scores 11.15 points, and running back scores 11.75 points. A wide receiver scores 1.05 points less than the running back. How many points do the three players score altogether? So I can see that a tight end scores 11 and 15 hundredths of a point, and the running back scores 11 and 75 hundredths of a point. And those are really straightforward. So I know how many points those two scored. I'm going to go ahead and put that over to the side. The third number, however, is not as straightforward. It says the wide receiver scores 1.05 or 1 and 5 hundredths points less than the running back. This is how much the running back scored. So we have to do another calculation before we can add all of them together. When it says the wide receiver scores 1 and 5 hundredths points less than the running back, I know that I'm going to take the running back's score, which was 11.75, and I'm going to subtract 1.05 because the wide receiver scored 1.05 points less, or 1 and 5 hundredths less. When I do that, I'm do it like so, and I know that the wide receiver scored 10 and 70 hundredths, or you could say 7/10 points. So now I put that over here. Now that I know what all three of them got, I need to figure out how many points they have all together. So I'm going to go ahead and add. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. I bring my decimal straight down since I'm doing addition. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now, I have 33 and 60 hundredths, but I can go ahead and take this 0 off because we know that 6/10 and 60 hundredths are the same thing. So my final answer would be 33 and 6/10.